Alright everybody, hopefully this works. Hopefully this is my first video with audio. This is going to be the floor frame annex for our house, and let's get started. One thing I wanted to show you is a shortcut that I use a lot. It doesn't come up on the pop-up menu. So if you hold down your right mouse button and you move just a little bit in any direction, you're going to get this right here. This is kind of a shortcut you can use to get to smart dimension or line or circle or a rectangle. So you'll see my mouse arrow kind of flit up every now and then I'll be smart dimensioning, or you'll see me move down, and then that's how I'm getting these shapes that fast. And then, you know, if you're on smart dimension and you hold down your right mouse key and just move your mouse pointer up, it'll shut it off. So you'll be back to the regular mouse pointer again. Alright, so let's get started. So to start off, we're going to do a sketch on the top plane, and I'm just going to draw a corner rectangle, and we'll just start here in the origin, because why not? And this is 30 feet, 8 inches. And in the drawing that Mr. Six sent us, this width was 9 foot 5 inches. But I found it overhung my foundation by an inch, so I shortened it to 9 foot 4 inches to make it fit. I don't know if that was an oversight or if I made my foundation wrong, but my print looked good, so I'm just going to stick with this because this is what matches my foundation. And then I'm going to get rid of this line because we don't need it, and we'll just make these two. You can make them equal, or however, should be all black. Okay. Now these are going to be 2x8s. So we're going to go into weldments here. Structural member, 2x8 pine. So this sketches the outside dimensions of what we need. So we're going to locate all these so they go down below the sketch. We're going to rotate them. I'm going to locate the profile and make sure they go in and down. So that way we can use the same sketch again to put the 2x10s on top. So we got that. New group. Do the same thing for this side. 90 degrees. Locate it. And then new group. This guy. 90. Locate it. Inside, and automatically trimmed itself to these outside ones, what we want. Green check. Okay, so now we need to put the 2x10s on top. So we'll use the same sketch. We'll just change this to 2x10. This time we want this one to go all the way across. We don't need to rotate them this time because they're already in the right direction. Just like that. Now I'm going to do this one separate. So we're going to linear pattern all these. So I'm going to green check now. And then I'm going to do these two sides. I'll show you why I did this in a minute. Alright. So we wanted this joint to overlap this joint here. So now we have to trim these So I'm going to choose this one as the body to be trimmed. And then we're going to trim it against this body and this one. Now you see, we can hide the sketch now, so we don't need it. Alright, so now we're going to choose this here. I'm going to go to Features, Linear Pattern. There's 23 of these, and they are 16 inches on center. We'll just choose any line that's going in the direction that we want it to go in. So any line that's going this way. And then we're going to select bodies. We'll select this body. It just says trim extend, so it should automatically be trimmed with these boards. It's going in the direction we want. Green check. So that's the basic part of it. Okay. So now I'm gonna edit this sketch, and I'm gonna add all the boards that are gonna go around on the foundation now. Let's make a line here. Make another line here. Here. And here. Then we have a few little parts. Just like that. So now I have to dimension this. So this is 5 foot 10 inches. And this distance here is 3 foot. Alright. This is 6 foot 6 inches. .5 foot 4 inches. This is 3 feet. This distance is 16 feet. This distance is 16 feet. This distance is 3 foot. This is 2 foot. And these are both 3 foot. So I'll dimension that, and then I'll make these two equal. Maybe. It's equal. Alright, that's pretty much got it. So I'll exit that sketch again. We'll make it visible. I'll just fill all these in. These are all going to be 2x8, so they're going to be flat. And once again, this is the outside of the sketch. So I'm going to do this one first because I want this one to butt up to here. Back into weldment structural member. 2x8 pine. So I'm going to have to rotate it 90 degrees. I'm going to locate it. I want it to go in and down. Alright. Now, this one here. 90 degrees. Same thing, I want it to go in and down. We also want this one to go in and down, so we can click on that and that'll automatically locate the same as the last one that we did. So that should match up with that bottom one. And it doesn't because I didn't locate it right. So let's locate this again. Move around here. There we go. Okay. New group. These are all going to be the same as well. Okay, profile. Oops. Always use your peepers. Alright, those are all lined up. Green check. Hide that sketch again. And that's it. That's your floor frame annex. Hopefully you can all see this. Hopefully the audio comes out okay. I'm going to watch it before I post it, but feel free to email me if you need any help. Hope this helps.